Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Microsoft Edge not opening or not responding problem. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select task manager. In the search you just need to type Edge. Just right click on it and select end task. Do the same for web view manager. After doing it, just close tab here and search Edge and open it and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type settings. Click on open it. On left side select apps, on right side select installed apps. In search apps you just need to search for Edge. Click on the three dot icon next to Microsoft Edge and select modify. Select yes. Select the repair option. After getting repair done, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.